Hello, my name is Sanford Khan, economic consultant and business author. Welcome to Rogue Economics lesson number 1. The first lesson is something actually very simple. What is the purpose of any investment? And ladies and gentlemen, I do mean any investment. This is not a Hollywood production, so excuse me for something that's very simple and maybe look any crude. But I want to get the point across. What's the purpose of any investment? I'm not talking about just stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, any investment. You're an investment. Your family's an investment. So what's the purpose of any investment? When I usually bring that up with people, they say the purpose of any investment is to make money. Wrong. The purpose of any investment is to increase your net worth. If you think about just making money, you're thinking in the very short term. And you may make mistakes. But when you think about net worth, you're thinking about the broader picture. What can I do today? What skills, what actions can I take today, both on a personal level and on a business level, that'll increase my net worth personally and professionally? This gives you a longer time horizon to look at. It's just not just for the next month or quarter. When you think of terms of net worth, you're thinking of the future. When you think of just making money, you're more in the present. You have to think of the future. I mean, why do people, individuals like you, go to college, go to trade school, learn a trade, learn a profession? Why do you do that? While you're in college or trade school, you're not really making that much money. Maybe you have some part-time jobs like I did when I was in college. But you're not really making that much money. But you're increasing your net worth. As you increase your net worth, you have the potential, but not the guarantee. You have the potential of earning more money. So therefore, the purpose of any investment, any investment, any investment is not to make money, it's to increase your net worth. I want to end with a simple saying I have in all my writings, and I will now continue this for all my videos. Given the outlook in our economy now and into the future, extremely uncertain. Remember this both in your personal life and in your business life. Liquidity is king, not Elvis. Good luck, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.